Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to remove the Google search bar from the home screen of your Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So this is actually a feature in Android 12 and on its own it can't be removed. However, there's a couple of things you can do. So first of all, I want you to open up settings and then I want you to tap on apps and then I want you to find See All Apps, scroll down until you see Google and then tap on Disable and Disable App. Now once you do this, the search bar is still going to be here, but when you tap on it, it will just bring you to settings, okay? So if you accidentally tap on the search bar, those accidental taps will lead to nowhere. Now if you actually want to permanently remove this, then you have to get an Android launcher, okay? And so keep in mind that when you do this, the experience of your Pixel may be a bit worse or maybe better, it really depends. So just go to Google Play and then search up for launcher. So let's say Nova launcher, boom, and you can download this and you can see it will just change the look of your Google Pixel, so just keep that in mind. So if you don't want that to be the case, then okay, you just have to leave the search bar. If you must have the search bar removed, search up for launcher. Nova launcher is an example. You can just search up launcher on Google Play and you'll have a bunch of other launchers you can download. So that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.